Most people have no idea Google Sheets can do this, but my spreadsheet can translate over 200 languages in seconds. In this video, I'm going to show you how I turned a simple spreadsheet into a free translator tool that can instantly convert text in over 200 languages into English automatically using just one formula. Let's build it. So with a blank spreadsheet open, I'm just going to lay out my columns. I really only need 2 columns. In this column, I'm going to type in phrase, because this is the column I'm going to use to type in phrase or sentence from another language. I'm just going to type it in here. And then I'm going to use this column, column C, as my translation column. And I'm going to bold these, and the font size, I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. Underneath, I don't need many columns. Let's just go down to, let's go to here. I'm going to put a border around it on the outside, and I'm going to do some formatting. Go to format, alternating colors, no header, just these. Change the background color. We shrink this column. The formula I'm going to use here for the translation is the equals Google Translate. And the text will be here, comma. For the source language, I want this translation column to detect any language. So I'm going to type in auto here. And what that's going to do, any phrase in just about any language that I paste into this cell, it would automatically detect that phrase in that language, and it's going to convert it. I want it converted into English. So what I'm going to do next after auto is hit comma, and the target language, this is basically the language you want that phrase converted to. I'm going to type in EN for English, close parentheses. And it's giving me that because I don't have a phrase in this cell. Copy that, paste it here. Do the same thing here. Let's test this to make sure it's working. So I have this phrase and it's working. Let me go with another phrase. I'm going to paste here. And yep, it's working. Japanese here. And it converts it. This is Spanish. It converted it to English. This is Afrikaans. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. It translated it here. And this is Japanese, and it translated it here. That's how you can turn a simple Google Sheets spreadsheet into a language translator. Now the algorithm thinks you would enjoy this video next.